Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. So this is the third question using the diagram below, which I have shown you a video on finding the uh, area of the base of the triangular prism. I've shown you a video on how to find the hypotenuse of the base of the triangular prism. And in this particular test question, we're going to use the diagram to find the volume of this shape, a triangular prism. So again, excuse me, triangular prism. Again, we're using some of the exact same values as we did in the first two videos. We have the triangular base. Geez, say that 5 times fast. Has a length leg of 4, a length leg of 3, a hypotenuse, remember, of 5. Okay. It also has a height value of 8. And again, this is not drawn to scale, but I did my very, very, very best. Let's get into the question. So I have a test taking strategy I'd like to go over. The question is, what is the volume of the triangular prism? So we're looking for the volume of the triangular prism shape. Keep your answer in cubic meters. So let me just share with you another test taking strategy. And this may help you, if you have to, guess. Maybe even the correct answer. So in my test taking strategy, I want to go over, you have to keep your answer in cubic meters. The options are A, 48 meters cubed, B, 24 meters squared, C, 24 meters cubed, and D, 30 meters cubed. So I wanted to show you the difference. M, or meters with the exponential power of 3, is cubic meters. M with an exponential power of 2 are square meters. So since you need to keep your answer in cubic meters, go ahead and cross off B. The answer cannot be B. So now you have 3 options, A, C, and D, to guess from if you had to guess. Okay, remember on these standardized assessments, G.E.D, HiSET, or other standardized assessments you might take, there's no penalty for guessing. You really do not want to leave any questions unanswered on, let's say, a Scantron. You always want to guess. You got 3 minutes left in the exam. Just start filling in bubbles, because you're more likely to get 1 or 2 of those bubbles right. And if you leave them blank, you don't get any of those questions right. So let's go ahead and continue on. And so let's review some of the key knowledge, skills, and abilities that you need to answer this particular question. Remember, area measures a two-dimensional shape. Okay, so the area will measure the two-dimension shape. The surface of the two-dimensional shape, like you see here, it's going to measure the surface of these type of shapes. Okay, it's the flat surface, right? And so area of a triangle, remember, that's our base. And if you missed it on that video number 2 I completed, we found the area of the base of this triangular prism. And we used the formula 1/2 times base times the height. And we'll go over that in the next coming videos in completing instructions on how to answer this particular question. What is the volume of the triangular prism? And so I'm going to keep this kind of short and sweet. I'm going to have at least another 2 more videos to answering this particular type of question. I'm going to go slow. I don't like to rush through in my explanations. Thank you for joining me. Stick around for part 2 and part 3 videos in answering this particular question. What is the volume of the triangular prism? Math is easy. Take it step by step. Like, follow. Please share these videos. Thank you for joining me.